Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So we all use Instagram, and if we get a good number of likes in our post, that is photo, or we are getting a good number of views in our Instagram reels, so even if you are getting a million of views or in some K, but you are noticing that very few people are following you. Like even if million of people have seen your reel, but only 3 to 4 or 10 to 15 people have followed you. So why this is happening, and how can you convert your good number of views into a followers? I will show you in my mobile screen, and also I will show you a live proof how I am getting thousands of followers from just one post. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So I will open my Instagram account and I will select one of my post. So I will select this one. So I will click on view insights. So now I will scroll down. So here we can see 1099 people have followed me from this photo, from this Instagram post. And what I did extra in this post, when I noticed like it's doing good, so in the comment, if you will see, I have written follow my page name for more. So this is making my followers easy to just click on this and click on follow. So this will make easy for them to follow you. So if we need a followers, we have to make our followers uh, more. We should make it more easy so they can follow us easily. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.